All right, Jeremy, I'm showing you this. I'm making this for you so you can be able to do that, make that Plex or the fire, what's called the fire, excuse me, the um, Raspberry Pi work. So first of all, you got to go on your computer so you can share with your computer to the Raspberry Pi. So first of all, see right mouse click on your computer, downloads folder, go to properties, go to sharing tab right there. Click on share it, choose your username or whatever you have in there to be able to log on to it. That's fine. Once you've done that, hit share. It'll go through this settings here, go through there like that. That's fine, good. We're good there. Hit done. Then come down to here to advanced sharing. Share this folder as and call it something here, just one word, whatever, downloads, documents, whatever you want to say, movies, TVs. You'll have to do it for both of them. So if you've got a movies and a TV folder, you'll change one to movies. One actually, you can just do the whole folder that is inside. So let's say that you have a folder, you have your movie and TV folder inside of your, I don't know, documents. Just do documents then. Share the documents folder. Hit OK, apply or whatever. I'm not going to do that here because I've already done it on another computer. I want to show you. Then you go to the Open Media Vault, whatever this is, the IP addresses of your um, Raspberry Pi, whatever that is. You got to figure that out. You should be able to find it out from your router. If you can log in a router, or there's other ways of finding out too. But you got to find out the IP address. So you got to sign into this here. Once you sign into this, the next step is you'll go to plugins. You do a search for plugins for mount. You'll see one right here. It says Open Media Vault Mount, remote mount. You got to click on, check that, and then hit install. I've already installed it, so it's already installed. You can see the little green dot there. Install. When it comes up, there'll be a thing come up saying, "Do you want to share? You want to do it?" You hit yes, and then hit OK, and then it will do that. Okay, that's how. So you'll put that on. And then this thing should show up right here. Remote mount right there will show up. You can see I've got my two servers, but now I want to show you how to do a computer because a computer is a little different. So once you share the folder, it's the same way as a server. So I can come to add folder. Go ahead, I'm going to call it laptop because that's what I've got. My laptop. My server is 192.168.29.39. My share folder is called documents. Oops. And my username is, and then there we go. Oh, then down here, you got to change this to 2.0. That's all. Just that point right there, 2.0, and then hit share. I'm not going to save it here. And then what's going to happen is, just like I told you before, a thing will come up here saying your configuration has been changed. You're going to must apply. So you hit apply, then hit yes. That's what's going to happen with the remote mount 2 as well. And then it's going to go through this. It takes a little while for this to happen here. You hear my dog chewing on a bone behind us here. Sorry about that. It does take a little bit of time sometimes for this part here, but it will finish here in a second. Let me make sure my computer here doesn't shut off. Okay, good. All right, there we go. And then for some reason, I was supposed to click here and hit mount, but for some reason it is mounted. If I refresh here, it will be mounted. I just hit refresh, reload, and then it comes up and I go back to remote mount down here. And you can see it's mounted, but it's not shared yet. So I've got to come to file system here. You should see it in here. Let's see where it is here. There's laptop right there. It's already in there, so we're good. We're good to go. We've got to go in here. Now I've got to go to shared folders. Okay. Well, you'll have to turn on this before you do anything. I'm sorry. You have to turn on the Samba SMB-CIF. So I've got to turn that one on here. Shares. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on add share. I'm going to come over here and add my laptop, which. Oh, I'm sorry. First got to share the folder. So, but you got to turn this thing on right here, and hit save, and then hit the accept and so forth. Then you'll have to come up to I think it's the shared folders here, and add. And my name is going to be laptop docs. Select device. I should see laptop. There it is, right there. Laptop docs. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. I want to do just documents. Well, this isn't it. So I just want to say, I guess It should be just called documents. Permission, I'm going to come down here and change it to everyone, read and write, and hit save. I hope this works. So it doesn't work. It didn't work. See that little error that came up there? I'm going to cancel that. Revert. I messed up there. So I got to delete this and redo it. I think I should have left it that same thing. It's been a while since. So don't, on this, please be careful. Hit delete. Do not hit share folder. Don't delete share folders and contents. Always just delete the share folder. So otherwise it will delete everything inside that folder, which you don't want to do. Let's see if I can do this now. Laptop docs, we'll just say that's, I'm going to leave that like that. Change this to everyone read write. Hit save. Wow, it doesn't work. Give me a second and I'll pause here and see what's going on here. All right, looks like what you have to do is I have to go into that folder. So obviously, so I'm going to put laptops here. I'm going to say, I don't know, laptop, I don't know. Let's just say miscellaneous. I don't know. You'll call it probably your movies folder. Go to laptop here, and then I should be able to get into the folder. So if I click on this here, I can see the folder here. So I can go, let's just go to my music. I'm just going to click on my music, hit OK, and see how I put it automatically in there. I'm going to change this to everyone, hit save, and now it's working. It's going to come up saying reset. I'm going to say apply. OK. Again, it will take a little while. I'm going to pause. Oh, there, it's finished. Okay. Then I'm going to go down to share folders. Nope. Go to my NFS shares. Oh, that's not, I'm sorry. So this is SMB. That's what I want. Shares. And I want to add my laptop. Miscellaneous on laptop right there. See that right there? Comments. I'm not going to worry about the public. Guess allowed. Read only. No, I don't want any of that. And then we're good there. Everything else is fine. Hit save. You can see it's there now. Guess allowed. It's there. Hit apply. Hit OK. Hit yes. Take a little bit for this to happen, and now it's going to be able to be shared through the server here, which is going to be on Plex. So now if I come to Plex then, as soon as this finishes, and they're finished. You can see it's miscellaneous right there. So I can come over here. I'm just going to add this is Pi 2 is the one that I've got right there. So I'm going to go to my libraries. I'm going to add a library. Let's just say music, just for the heck of it. Go to add folders. I come in here. You'll see there's this one here. That's my one server. There's my other server. And then here is that one right there. This is the only thing right now. If I went into, that's all that's in there right now. This is the last one here. I can add that folder again if I wanted to, give it the advanced. So that's the folder right there. That was the browse for folder. This was my first on the server. This is the first one. This is my Plex server actually with the folders. You can see movies and TVs. This is my other one that I have with I put all my pictures. The DVDs don't have anything except for that's my second server. And this is the laptop one right here. In the folder, if I look at the folder right now, you'll see that there's nothing in there, so that's why it doesn't matter. But I'm going to cancel that. But that's how you add the folders, and that's how you add them to your Open Media Vault, which is on your server. Okay, that's on your or that's on the. You can see right here, I've got SMB CIFS right there enabled and running. I come back over to here. I can see my remote mount. I've got them all there, and so forth. Okay, and that's it. Hope this helps you if you want to set up your Raspberry Pi to do this. But I already have that set up. The Open Media Vault's on there for you. I'll have to figure out what the password. I think it's when you originally log into Open Media Vault, it's going to be the username is admin. The password is Open Media Vault, one word. Open Media Vault, no capital letters, just all small letters, and that will get you into it. And you'll have to then go from there. Okay, I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions.